First, go to your analytics account, then look for view real time. If you see this, you can select this view real time. Then on this window, select real time pages. Here, if you see, you will see active users in last 30 minutes, views in last 30 minutes, top 10 pages real time. If I wanted to see more pages, I can see that. Currently, I just wanted to see, for example, my home page. I will just type slash. The page path is slash, so it is showing 5 active users and 8 views. If I have another page or screen, I can type main. So this is my main screen of my app. So you can see it shows 35 users, 19 users, 8 users, and 45 views, 90 views, and 10 views respectively. So this is how you can view real-time pages. And secondly, you can also see it is an unsampled report, which indicates it is 100% available data, not just sample report.